What if your money could work for you while you sleep? Imagine waking up to see your bank account balance growing overnight without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's actually possible. In today's video, we will dive into 8 powerful and beginner-friendly ways to make money while you sleep. These are proven methods that can help generate passive income with minimal effort. And the best part? You don't need a fortune to get started. Stick around to the end, because one of these methods could be your first step toward financial freedom. Let's dive in. 1. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you recommend. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to earn money passively, especially if you already have an online presence. Simply put, affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through special links, and when someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to worry about inventory, customer service, or shipping. All you need to do is share your recommendations. You can promote products you already use and love, such as books, tech gadgets, or even services. To get started, you can create a blog, YouTube channel, or a social media account dedicated to a specific niche that excites you, whether it's health, technology, or lifestyle. Once you've built your platform, you can recommend products relevant to your audience. Once a post or video goes live, it can continue generating commissions for months, sometimes even years. One viral post can lead to consistent income with minimal ongoing effort. Affiliate platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale offer tools to track your earnings. Even with a small following, you can start making money with just a few clicks. 2. Subscription models, recurring passive income. Subscription-based businesses generate consistent income, whether it's a paid newsletter, a private group, or a special podcast. This model works because people value ongoing content. You don't need to spend much money up front. Platforms like Substack, Patreon, and Gumroad make it easy to get started, even if you have no coding skills. Once you build a following, you can charge a small monthly fee for exclusive access. And with just 100 subscribers, you can make $500 to $1,000 a month. Subscription models offer recurring revenue, and once established, you can maintain it with minimal effort. 3. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Digital products are one of the most powerful ways to generate passive income. The idea is simple. Create something once and sell it over and over again. Digital products can include anything from ebooks, templates, and printables to online courses or design presets. Once created, there's no need to keep updating or redoing them. They continue to sell while you focus on other things. You can start small by creating a digital product that solves a problem, such as a budgeting template, a productivity planner, or even a simple design template. You can host and sell these on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payip, which makes it easy to get started. The best part? You keep 100% of the profit, minus the platform's small fees. This model is great because there are no shipping costs, no inventory to manage, and the profit margins are incredibly high. Even if you're only earning $5 per product, selling it to hundreds or thousands of people can result in a substantial income without ever needing to recreate the product. 4. Blogging and SEO, your evergreen passive income. Blogging is a fantastic way to earn passive income, and when done right, it can work for you 24/7. The key to success in blogging is not writing about random topics, but focusing on niche subjects that people are actively searching for. By optimizing your blog post for SEO, search engine optimization, you can get your posts ranked on Google, where they can keep driving traffic for years. Once you've written posts around specific keywords, you can monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and even selling products. While it might take some time for your content to rank, once it does, it can continue to generate income on autopilot. For example, you could write a blog post about the best budget apps for 2025, and over time, people will find on Google, click on affiliate links, and generate money for you every time they buy through your links. Even if you target smaller, low-competition keywords to start, you will begin seeing the benefits as your blog grows. Blogging is a great way to create passive income because once the content is created and optimized, it works for you indefinitely, making money while you sleep. 5. YouTube automation. Run a channel without showing your face. If you want to create a passive income stream but prefer not to appear on camera, YouTube automation might be the solution you're looking for. This strategy allows you to run a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face or using your own voice. Outsource tasks like script writing, voiceovers, and video editing while you focus on strategy and content ideas. Once the videos are live, they will keep generating ad revenue, affiliate sales, and even sponsorships. Some YouTube channels that utilize automation are making $5,000 to $30,000 a month, and they don't need to be on camera. Channels in high CPM, cost per mil niches, such as finance, tech, and health, can earn top dollar as advertisers pay more to reach these audiences. With consistent video uploads and engaging content, YouTube's algorithm helps push your videos to new viewers, making a low-effort, high-reward strategy that keeps earning you money long after the video is uploaded. YouTube automation is a fantastic way to earn passive income from a popular platform, and it allows you to scale your income as your channel grows. 6. Membership communities. Recurring revenue from loyal fans. Membership communities allow you to build a dedicated space for your followers where they can access exclusive content and interact with you directly, whether at a private Facebook group, Discord server, or a Patreon page. Membership models offer recurring revenue from loyal fans who are willing to pay for unique content, coaching, or early access to your work. The key to making this work is to create value for your members. Whether it's sharing behind-the-scenes content, providing expert advice, or offering exclusive resources, the more value you give, the more your community will want to support you financially. Even with just 100 members paying $10 each, that's $1,000 a month in passive income. The beauty of this model is that once you've built your community and delivered consistent value, it becomes largely self-sustaining. Your members stay engaged and keep paying, and your role becomes more about maintaining the community and occasionally creating content. 7. Drop shipping, e-commerce without inventory. Drop shipping is often called a gateway to e-commerce. It's a low-cost way to start an online business without dealing with the hassle of inventory or shipping. The process is simple. You list products from suppliers on your online store, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Your job is to market your store, select the products, and brand the experience. While drop shipping isn't fully passive at the start, you still need to manage marketing and customer service. Once you automate your store's fulfillment and customer support, it becomes much more passive. The most important step is finding a profitable niche and reliable suppliers. But once that's in place, you can start generating sales with minimal ongoing work. The beauty of drop shipping lies in the fact that you don't have to handle physical inventory or deal with shipping logistics, which makes it easier to scale. 8. Stock photography and footage. Monetize your media. If photography or videography is your hobby or side hustle, why not turn it into a source of passive income by uploading your media to stock photo and video websites? Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow you to upload photos and videos, and you earn royalties every time someone downloads them. The best part about this passive income strategy is that once your media is uploaded, it keeps earning for you as long as it's being downloaded. You don't need to keep updating it or actively manage sales. Stock media works particularly well if you already take great photos and videos for fun or personal use. By targeting popular trends, such as remote work, minimalism, or diversity, your content is more likely to get noticed. So there you have it, 8 proven ways to make your money work for you while you sleep. These strategies are not get-rich-quick schemes. They are long-term, sustainable ways to build wealth passively. Whether you're just starting out or looking for ways to optimize your income, these methods are accessible and can be scaled with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money and build wealth in today's digital world. And if you've already started any of these methods, drop a comment below and let me know how it's going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.